Hey everybody, welcome to Streetside Classics Charlotte. I'm Mike, the Director of Sales. We're in our Concord, North Carolina location, one of 6 nationwide. And if you're interested in finding out about one of these beautiful vehicles or buying one of them, follow me. We're going to find our sales manager, Michael, inside.
Welcome everybody. I'm Michael, the sales manager over here at Streetside Classics in Charlotte. Currently, we are in the office/showroom area of our showroom. As you can see behind me, we have a group of trained professionals that are here to answer all of your questions. We do get a lot of questions every single day, so I'd like to go over some of them with you right now. One of our first questions is, where do you guys get all these awesome vehicles at? All these vehicles are available to us through consignment, locally, or to our region at least. A lot of times people walk through here and they'll see all these vehicles and say, you know what, Michael, we can't afford these. How do we get one of these vehicles in our garage? It's a great question. We have a lot of different lenders we deal with that get you affordable rates and competitive terms. We'd be happy to try to get you into one of these vehicles immediately. We also offer other sort of features as far as inspections for customers if you can't come out here to see the vehicles in person. We also work with a network of shippers that will be happy to help you bring these vehicles back home to you. We are a global company, so we even deal with international shippers as well. Check this place out. Is this not massive? 50,000 square feet. We hold roughly 250 to 260 vehicles in here. I promise you, we have something here for you. We do sell between 40 to 50 vehicles a month, so if it's not today, it'll probably be tomorrow that we're gonna have something exactly what you're looking for. As you can see, we do have a lot of vehicles here, and we do our best to go through these vehicles for you in entirety when you call and ask about them. However, if you want a little bit more information about them, we are more than happy to have a third-party inspector to come out and look at these vehicles for you. If you don't know anybody, we are happy to try to provide somebody for you because we do have people that come and go throughout here that are local to this area, and we're happy to assist you any way we can. Just in case you're interested in this beautiful 1979 Chevy Corvette, please let us know. We'll be happy to take a reasonable offer to the owner to see if it's something they're willing to accept. So if you guys are interested in any vehicle that we have here, please be sure to check us out on our website at www.streetsideclassics.com. You can also check out our full inventory on that website as well. So even if you don't see something we have here, there might be something in our other 5 different locations. Just remember, we are open Tuesday through Friday, 9 to 6, Saturdays 9 to 5. We're closed every Sunday, Monday. We look forward to hearing from you soon.